to Gordon Guitar. We have Khalid here with the song called Keep Me. So pretty neat, this song here, very easy to handle. I will give you some different ways of using these 3 chords. Only 3 chords through the entire song, so that's great. We need to set our capo on the 5th fret to match up the sound and have these cool high notes up here. So capo on 5th, let's go over the chords. First, the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. So G, A minor, and F major 7 in that order through the entire song. Now, let's go over the basic way of playing using these chords. It will be this one. Alright, so that is on G, down, up. Easy. You shift to A minor and play the same. Down, up. Very easy that as well. And then you shift to the F major 7 and play. Very easy. 3 downs, but with that rhythm. Down, down, down. Okay? So, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. That's one round. Okay, that's the basic one. You can now go over to play. Okay, so what you do there, you play the strings here from the chords. So from G, you play. That is the bass note here, 3rd on E. Then on the G string, and then you play the B and E together. So. Okay, so E string, G string, and then B, E together from the chord. And then you follow the same pattern now from A minor, so that means the A string will be the bass. And then comes the G, and then the B, E together from the A minor chord. So, slowly. And then you play the F major 7. You can pluck all the strings there, all the 4 strings from D to E. And on the next you can just do down, down. There's no kind of rules here. The main thing here is to keep the rhythm and the timing here for this chord switches and how you play and handle them. And you can do that in different ways. You can pluck and yeah. Put up some beats there in between. Like that, okay? I can just give you this little melody. Comes back to us during the song in different places there. So you play that basically in the F major chord, so you play it like this. Okay, so you play that on the E string, 1st fret, then open E, 3rd B, and 1st B. And to get the speed right here, you could use this pull off technique here. Here you pull off. You don't have to pick 2 times with the right hand. You just do it on 1st. And you snap it off like this. And then you use the same technique here from the 3rd fret B. And as soon as you hit this one, you pull off to get the 1st B. That's just the technique stuff there for you to have it more easier for you and faster as well. All right. So that pretty much covers Khalid's Keep Me, since this is the way it goes through an entire song. So good luck with this one. G, A minor, and F major 7. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. Helps me a lot. And most of all, play tuned.